Okay, so I am going to show you how to read clear version in MS Word and how to use Grammarly plugin. Okay, so if you edited an article, then it should look like this. So you see all deletion, addition like this. So what we suggest that in the last stage, you read a clear version. To get clear version, you click here on the review tab here and select final here. So you can see a version where all deletions and additions are hidden. So in this way you can read it very carefully, very clearly. Okay, so in the last stage you read a clear version like this. Everything is clear. Okay, and then you do one spell check, correct all spellings, and then use Grammarly to check. Okay, so first I show you how to install Grammarly. Search on Google Grammarly MS Word plugin here. So actually I already installed, so it's not showing in a download option, but yes. So here you can download Grammarly for Microsoft Word and Outlook, and get for Windows it's free here. So you download, and then save it on your computer system and then install it. Once you install it, okay, before installation you need to keep your MS Word off. So just close all windows, open windows of MS Office, MS Word, uh, or Excel, whatever, and then once it is installed correctly you will see one Grammarly tab here, review, view, and then Grammarly. So now you need to log in. For login it will direct you to web browser, and then you can sign in. If you are not created an account, you can create an account and then just to sign in. Then it will ask you this, click here, open URL Grammarly Office Add-in Protocol. So click here, it will open, and now you are logged in. Now click here, open Grammarly. So click here, open Grammarly, and here it will show correction. Okay, so in this step just remember that when you open Grammarly you should open on clear version. If you open in this condition like final showing markup, all corrections are shown. At that time it might create problem, means it will also consider these deletions like this. So make sure that when you're using Grammarly you select final version, and then so for example here it's a okay, so it's a paid version, so there are too many corrections, but if you're using free it is also fine. First just click on correctness, so all this clarity, engagement, delivery, all these other corrections are hidden, so just click on correctness and first correct all these important corrections. For example, it's asking to thermophila unknown word, it's okay. Then here it's asking to add one comma before end, so here we need comma, so just select here, then select here, click here, and it will correct. Okay. The next correction is host for production, so it says you need the article the before production, so it is correct suggestion, so click here the production and it will correct, and scroll down, or you can also click here for next suggestion here. On the corner button, so here again it is asking to add article production, and then this is, it says neglecting modifier, so just ignore this correction, then reveal the expression missing the like this. So you check all correction which are for correctness, and whatever is correct you accept that correction. For example, it says with an increased mortality risk, so here it asks to remove n with risk, but I think it's required because it's required an increased mortality risk, or if it is just mortality then we don't need the article, so at that condition we can increase the mortality. For here it asks you to add the, so this is already well edited, so you won't see many mistakes, but sometimes, for example, there is extra space before comma, it will detect like this and it will ask you to correct it, so it can correct many minor mistakes. So once you are done this way, then click on all issues. Okay, now it will show many corrections which are not required or essential, so you can click, we can very quickly scroll down, just look, and you can also use, I prefer to use page down button, so quickly just put a glance on all corrections and then next page, next page, next page. If you find something to be corrected, then just click on and accept this suggestion, and once you are done just close Grammarly and you are done. Okay, so that's all, thank you very much for watching. So you need to read clear version first, all corrections, changes hidden, then do one spell check, and then in the last with the clear version you do a Grammarly check.